What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Let's go. What's up? So we just made it to the Hoover Dam, as you can see. It is super windy. Well, not super windy, it's kind of windy. But yeah, this is the dam right here. I don't know if you can tell right now, but the water level is super low than I've seen in like movies and stuff. But me and my mom are gonna go back down there after, and then we're gonna see closer up to the dam to see what it really looks like. We're at the top view right now. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
And craftsmen of our culture completed.
Danger. I wonder if people drop their stuff down here before. Probably. Scary. So if you can see the white line on the rocks is where the water used to be, and then as you can see where the water is now. That much. And this side doesn't even have water, or barely. Look at this. Oh yeah, here's the view from the main part of the dam. Here's the opposite side. Okay, let's go. So now I'm at the car already. I'm waiting for my mom. She took the elevator and I took the stairs. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go eat. So just got here at the Galleria Mall. We're gonna go eat some Korean barbecue right now. So we just got our food. Japchae, cutlet. So we just finished eating at the Korean barbecue place and I'm super full. I had a hard time finishing all our food, but I didn't want to waste anything. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the house. I'm gonna sleep, and then tonight I'm gonna go to the North Outlets one more time, and then we're gonna probably gonna do something out on the strip, but I don't know yet. So yeah, been rocking around for like 5 minutes, but I finally found it. What's up? So I'm about to leave the mall right now. I just got done finishing shopping at All Saints. They had a crazy good sale, so I picked up some stuff.